The mysterious universe. Picture a quiet night. You are looking at the starry sky. Stars are sprinkling like secrets. Suddenly, you are lost in your thoughts, drifting through memories and dreams, and then you feel this weird force, like an invisible energy gently pulling you somewhere. You can't see it, can't explain it, but you know it's there, leading you towards something unique, something exciting, something special. The universe is a mysterious storyteller, whispering secrets only your heart can understand. Every passing moment, every hurdle you cross, every decision you make, they're all clues, little nudges guiding you on your unique adventure. So, have you ever felt like the universe is trying to tell you something, but you can't quite understand the message? The universe whispers, "But will you answer?" Think of it as your cheat sheet to unlock the mysteries of life, achieve your wildest dreams, and live a life that sparkles brighter than a supernova. I am confident this video will transform your life, and you should prepare yourself to have your mind blown. Imagine your life like a big play on a cosmic stage. Everything you experience, from the physical world to your deepest emotions, is like a scene waiting for your attention. Just like planets orbit a sun, your thoughts, feelings, and experiences revolve around your energy. So, your focus and energy are the most important. Before we deep dive, we need to understand the core law of the universe. Make up you're walking down a busy street. While rushing to your destination, you might unconsciously filter out the sounds of honking cars, the chatter of people, and the colorful advertisements flashing by. Your attention is solely focused on reaching your destination. These background details, though physically present, become almost non-existent to you because they don't hold your conscious attention. Similarly, within your own life, there might be recurring negative thoughts or limiting beliefs that you've unconsciously chosen to ignore. Perhaps you tell yourself you're not good enough or that success is out of reach. While these thoughts might seem insignificant in the grand scheme of things, they can have a profound impact on your reality because you're giving them your energy, even if it's through neglect. By bringing these subconscious patterns to light and consciously choosing to focus on positivity and self-belief, you can shift your reality and create a life that aligns with your desires. Let's make it more understandable. Your life is like a grand stage show, and you're the director responsible for choosing which scenes play out. Your thoughts are like actors waiting for their indication. You can either give them the spotlight and make them part of your life story, or you can say, "No thanks," and let them fade away. The more attention you give to certain thoughts, the more power you give them, and the more they become a reality in your life. This is the core law of the universe. You attract what you focus on and where you give your energy. So choose your thoughts wisely, because they have the power to shape your life story. Now you might be thinking, how does the universe listen? Well, your thoughts are like musical instruments, each one playing a different note. Together they create the melody of your energy. This energy is what the universe hears, and it responds accordingly. So, if you fill your mind with positive thoughts, you'll create a harmonious and uplifting energy that attracts positive experiences into your life. But if you dwell on negativity, you'll create a discordant and draining energy that attracts negative experiences. It's like a cosmic conversation. The universe is always listening, and you have the power to choose what language you speak. But the magical question is, how do you talk with the universe? Step 1. The enigma of attention. The universe is constantly asking you, what do you want? But it doesn't speak our language. It speaks the silent language of energy and emotions. We can talk all we want, but the universe only hears what we truly feel and believe. Our strong reactions, positive or negative, are like a powerful signal to the universe, telling it what kind of experiences we want in our lives. This is the true dialogue with the universe, not with words, but with the energy we radiate. Step 2. Whispers of the present. The present moment is a vast, blank canvas. The universe is constantly painting on this canvas, creating new realities. However, it only pays attention to the colors we choose in the present moment. Past experiences and future worries, are like faint whispers in the background, not strong enough to influence the masterpiece being created right now. It's only in the present that we have the power to truly influence the course of our lives. So, let go of the past, don't worry about the future, and focus on using the present moment as a canvas to paint the life of your dreams. Step 3. A dance with consciousness. Life as a dance, not a pre-choreographed performance, but a dynamic improvisation. The more you expand your awareness, the more you become aware of the limitless possibilities available to you in this dance. You're not just following steps, you're actively creating them. Your awareness becomes your compass, guiding you through the infinite possibilities of existence and allowing you to shape your unique journey. Step 4. The cosmic compass. You're sailing on a vast cosmic ocean. Thoughts and words are like unreliable weather reports, constantly changing and potentially leading you astray. But instead of a map, you have a compass, your intuition, feelings, and gut instincts. These are the whispers of the universe, speaking in the language of energy, guiding you toward your true north. You learn to trust these subtle signals, even if they seem quiet or illogical, because they point to a deeper truth beyond words. It's like having a secret map written in your soul, leading you through the ups and downs of life's journey. Step 5. Rhythms of repetition. The universe is a powerful artist working in the vast studio of your subconscious mind. Just like an artist uses repeated brushstrokes to create a masterpiece, the universe uses repetition to paint your reality. Think of your subconscious mind as a deep ocean filled with currents of beliefs, both positive and negative. The universe acts like a skilled diver, pulling up these beliefs and weaving them into the tapestry of your life. But how does it work? Negative beliefs are like dark, heavy anchors, pulling you down and limiting your potential. They might whisper things like, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never achieve my dreams." Positive affirmations are like vibrant paintbrushes, used to reprogram your subconscious and paint a brighter future. Repeating affirmations like, "I am worthy," or "I am capable of anything I set my mind to," sends positive vibrations into the cosmic ocean, attracting positive experiences and opportunities. The key is consistent and intentional repetition. Just like an artist wouldn't create a masterpiece with one stroke, you won't reprogram your subconscious overnight. But with regular practice, your positive affirmations will become like vibrant threads, woven into the fabric of your reality. Remember, the universe responds to the energy you put out. So, choose your words and thoughts carefully and use the power of repetition to paint the life you truly desire. But we have to use affirmations in the right way. How to use affirmations effectively. Keep them positive and specific. Instead of saying, "I want to be happy," try, "I am filled with joy and gratitude." Speak them in the present tense. The universe responds to what is happening now, not what might happen in the future. Believe in their power. The more you believe in your affirmations, the more likely they are to come true. Repeat them often. Aim for at least 10-20 minutes of affirmations per day. With dedication and practice, you can use the universe to create a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Now, are you ready to align your thoughts and feelings with the positive vibrations of the universe, like tuning instruments to create beautiful music and letting go of negativity and embrace the mystery? This isn't a script handed to you. It's a canvas waiting for your brushstrokes. Your choices, your energy, your focus, they all paint the masterpiece that is your reality. So, engage, align, and paint your life with vibrant colors of positivity. The universe is your orchestra, waiting to play the melody of your dreams. It's your time to take the stage and create a masterpiece.